Hi everyone, in this video I will provide you with really easy steps so you can install Internet Download Manager 6.30 and use the integration menu so you can download videos from YouTube. Now I will add links for the software, the IDM software, and even for the integration menu in the descriptions. Now the steps are really easy. Just download the software from this link, and after downloading the software you just need to uncompress the file, and you will have to install the file as usual. Double click and install. After being done, you just patch it. It depends on the version of your operating system, and after being done with that, maybe it will be asking you to restart your computer. So do it, and afterward just need to go to the official website of IDM. Just type IDM and just download the original version. After downloading the original version, it's here. Just double click and install it. Now if it doesn't work till now, just need to go back to the description and add the integration file. Just double click and just add the integration file. Now once you did it, you just restart your computer, and let me show you that it's 100% working. So YouTube, let's try this one, and it's working as you can see.